So here we have the Robby with the repaired feet ratchets. We've had the head dome off so we could paint all of the detailed parts. We've added little black marks to the voice tubes. We've put the blue gel in. We rewired the LEDs so they light when it's making sounds instead of being lit all the time. In fact, let's just start with just sound samples first.
Welcome to Alphadrome, gentlemen. I am to transport you to the residence. Welcome to Alphadrome, gentlemen. I am to transport you to the residence.
Was hoping to get a different sample. I guess it just doesn't when it feels like it. So in walk mode, then we have. So you notice it's playing the space sounds, but the lights aren't lit, which is what you want. And then.
Welcome to Alphadrome, gentlemen. I am to transport you to the residence. For your convenience, I am monitored to respond to the name Robby.
So again, the sound effects don't light up the LEDs. It's waiting for the speech.
Welcome to Alphadrome, gentlemen.
So,
I am to transport.
there you have it.